So we have Bialad. Yeah, Biala, we have Bialad. Yeah, thank you. Mana eziokwu. Ada egwu egwu. So yeah, thank you. It's got down or basta. Yeah, thank you. It's a busy. Onye eti kwuo na ya mụtakwuo n'aka ya at least okwu na comment section na ya n'ifu okwu. Yes. Exactly. And I like a queer name family each you know.
It's just like error of business, name for our work at the same time. The two of them, they are like because building dreams, they need to put the whole of you, your mind, your head, everything about you, you submit it to your dream. Every day of your life, you are facing that your dream, you are feeling it. So when it comes to, let's say, along the line, marriage, for don't adapt, for don't adapt, for don't do. And they go for saying, no, I need to do, no, I need to do, we're not going to at the only way to work out one degree, or feel really great entire. So, two things that make our onion up and where I can. So, building dreams, you know, if on your own, who are dreams, and you want to build it, you want to develop it. So, only if you along the line, you see a marriage or an independent thing, and all that there with you go to beach. And also, you have to pay. I know it's not difficult, but you have to find a way to marry the two of them together. Because if you don't do it, you lose your house now. Often they see people who also agree. People are married, they are in a loose house and married. The same people who also married. Our agent that can have marriage, yeah. Not to say I agree.
Yes.
So that's why people run from it. Because the two of them, they demand serious attention. The two of them, they demand everything about it. That's what happens.
All right, in building dreams and marriage, we deal with distraction. Or maybe, like my master said, look away to marriage.
Distraction. I don't know possible now have a distraction. But off on your coordinating on your former, you know, because the manner in life planning, there are many aspects of life the necessary people take into consideration. Among that kind of thing, you take into your health, you take into consideration your finance, and so on and so forth. So in including family, it's a full plan for it. Within the week at some point. So I'm going to find food, I'm going to buy listen. One has some no or the necessary question na dinner munye question separate account and stuff like what can kata siwega. So okay, the funny normally anybody mwanya na a plan family. You question personal account today. When you give question personal account here. Family way question account here. Family account. I want me that. These things we see this separate and we reason. Even family's investment account with wiki DT and we reason.
The fact is that life is even too fast that you cannot, all these things, you cannot sit down to structure. Before you want to go, you put on a track.
Yes. I'm not going to but guess what? The idea of a plan, abrono, now you start following it rigidly. No to acquire delele, but at least came go to direction. I'm on that kind of thing. So that ego pataraga came on to a cook with at least the man okay can again and things like that.
Can you one question? At what age can one keep us equal in wine? At what age?
At what age? All depends on I'm on that kind.
So at what age? And let's say on what age you have man do na I ask no onye you go give more kwado ego kwado no university.
Okay, and then man.
Yeah.
Even now, I am as
in a man.
Okay.
Yes, I'm married. Of course, I'm going to go wine. I married late. Yeah. And you know what? I still don't have my regret here. But sometimes I have my friends, my classmate, who grandfather now. So when I look at him and look at what he has achieved, and say, well, good for him. Because another thing people will not have. My friend can ask in Nigeria, yeah, then one. That was the second on the best advice about Nancy.
Yeah.
My friend, the animal say, and I'm actually menka before wine. Or where's no one can yawa. The tokwa, Mojen one. A man no got to fumble, wine. Yeah, oh, it's another name wine. Always so like only father. Muta wine. Only age annual. Ikeli nwage wine. Tan when I am boss I maybe. Yes. When my anybody that I also go adro. When age annual, a man and where they go so you can no longer do all those things. So I say, more can make it if you know a man alive, more gazimo, no gazro, a ties na 30. So wine. Come on, oh yeah, so see, if you determine look you the wine in a choya, I was there to pocket together at that age. I'm not pocket to get your open on the 18. Let me say below 21, 18 to 21. Yeah, all your pocket ye queer. Oblukan Nina and a pocket to go sing a choto boggy. A man no pocket to give up. Oblukan no sing a choto yet togi. I believe people marry up, some other people marry down. On 1 8 years now, Magana, if you need the no one calegi, or where Ugote Wegi. On where he is 4 Wegi, need the no one yet or where respect again. So you cannot eat your cake and have it. Your situation, everything about you, be into consideration. We choose who you want to take for a wife. So I'm asking one case in the secondary school, trouble on your yano. It's a very big
yeah.
Do you know why I would
because you grow as a
partnership.
Yeah.
Partnership. Who are you going
to somebody like that.
Based on parents thinking.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Based on parents thinking. Based on the.
So do you know why I will condemn it? Let me totally condemn it. Why? Yes. At 18 years, when some experiences in iji wee
the my
control
master
family.
and elu oge ọnwụ
Ọ bụrụ ọnwụ ka anyị-
and elu oge
ọnwụ dị iche.
no keke
Ọnwụ
is
can come at
ọfụma,
any time.
life
Ada akwadobe ya akwadobe.
life ine n'onwe gị fụ na okay now this is where you want to start building from gị nwa sị na ịnụ late does that make it the best age of marriage?
That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
so
That
it's the same thing.
better
You are
time
not.
to
Do you
get
know
married.
that if you condemn young people from marrying, like younger people from marrying, that means you're not even supposed to marry.
Well, let me tell you,
Yeah,
of my
no,
brother,
no,
I
no.
have
You can't
a
rap
rela-
with it, and
let
not
me
the
tell you-
late.
let me tell you of
So,
somebody. I have a
order
relative.
late and order can never be too late and
It
can
is
never be.
early.
Ọ dị too
I
early.
am a relative.
Yes.
Nyanwa was the only son. Papi amu so fun wake fun wine. Where the guy na elute to 16 years. The mother Jen Notale and wine. Notale only 18 years.
16. No, Oluben. I said
Abia,
18. No, now.
Let me-
Ọ ka na-aka ụkọ
Only
kọkọsịa.
in your range 18. That means you can go below 18. Let me tell you why.
No,
Where Jen Notale and wine here. The woman on Notale and there are so many things in Kenwoke na wataro. In Kenwaya na ko no lose na position e ko wale ya. At a point the woman no we feel kwa no adjust to so mass no damage life ya. Etu akosu eche. Before on 19 years o mu go nwa. First child. On 20 years o mu go second child. 21 years o mu go third child. The man mecha atonite na 27 years no one also chie pastor.
Okay.
Oh, order bad.
That's
No, order
Because
bad. Because inu go di nwanya n'oge.
Mamia.
Oh, you
Yes.
can call but
Yes.
or dispute or the fact na ụmụtali ya nwa.
Ọ bụrụ
And
ịmụta
ụmụazị
ọ
a
bụrụ-
na-eto.
Ka abịa.
The woman, oh, no, the key the woman, why you?
Yes.
Because
Yes, well,
all
well.
man in that as marriage.
Yes.
Nah,
Because
nah.
in that time, one akwale asị ya na oge na agidi forever.
Okay, abịazi ọwọk ro.
Ọbịazi
Ihe
ya-
gịnị izi n'ife na wọk ro.
Isi etu a
Ije
mee
gịnị.
ya means that the guy, you need to be mature enough
Exactly.
mentally
Exactly.
and be ready for marriage.
Exactly.
Before you talk
Enwere ndị even nwee that age number ị na-ekwu as maturity na draw that up to that age that their maturity is not even of
maturity in
it,
terms
but
of
they are married.
marriage, they were pocket wise, you have
The
to
Bible
be-
must say enwe obele
environment. If people na ga through, ụmụazị m nwa, ọ bụrụ na onye amụrụ nwa bụ onye na-adọrọ ready.
Yes.
If we twist the eme those children,
Haba.
you will not wish to bring
Haba.
people into the world. Na
Haba.
that condition.
Ịmana ife BFS na-edebe anya na-abịa ịmụta nwa. Amamiota. But marriage is beyond just ịmụta nwa.
The first
Starting a family
thing,
is
the
way
first thing
beyond
companionship.
ịmụta nwa.
Are you going to
You
get
think-
into that marriage?
you
That's
think-
the first thing before the child stops.
Temple enugo nwanyị.
Eh?
Enugo nwanyị.
A na-amata. Achọrọ m ịkọlu unu, ọ bụrụ tie m ya kpọrọ information. Mana as for now,
Master si ni ya
Yeah,
enugo
I'm
nwanyị.
gịnị wee mezie?
Okay, ịchọ izo nke ya
Achọrọ m
ezo.
discuss ya in public.
Because ịmago ni ya.
Ụbọchị nkwado egwu unu ngwu unu,
ịmago-
mana right now, eji ezuo ike.
Ọ dị mma ịmago ni ya need personal. Ị na-ekwuzi ọ dị ka inugo.
Onye gwa gị na ma anụbe?
And the experience.
Okay, inugo.
Onye gwa gị ma anụgo ma ọ ma anụbe? Asị m ị na-ekwu ka elugo. Iti apụ. Mgbe na-enye iti ka ọ bụ. Ị mana onye bụ iti mana ọ marọ.
Di Maria, ị na-ekpesalụ ka m gbachitere gị, but I-
Mba, anụ m ekpesalụ gị ka ị gbachitelu m.
Abụ nke ị na-asị m na onye a bụ, ị na-agwa m ka m gbachitere
Mba. Ndị m na-agwa bụ ndị na-ege ntị na onye bụ iti apụ.
No,
Alright.
Unu afụrụ ya n'iti ka ọ bụ. So si ya na-ana ya na marriage bụ ịmụta nwa. Ọ sị ịmụta nwa ka eji ebido na family.
Okay, now let's not really deviate because if you can intermarry both, imago na enwe age ya dị mmadụ ibido what is it, dreams and careers. Enwere age to start a big dream.
Do you know?
And marriages should be part of it. Imago in a grow. Onwekwa ife dị ka ibido that o ya enyela gị aka.
Ibido early, right?
Yes, ibido early enyela gị aka. In fact, that early responsibility that comes, oh yeah, enwe some mistakes. And DJ as a young man, a rap marriage, maybe bido the dreams, the ego. Go on a club. Bido live with a lifestyle that will not even guide you every team will go.
Okay, ihe ọ na-akọ kịta nwee ihe ọ na-arị ngelom. And yes, ndị ahụ na-eme ka anya na-eme chanchancham. Onye anya na-eme chanchancham, asịsị n'ụtụ ya nwaanyị ka anya lụọ ya. Mụrụ anya lụrụ anya. Onye anya lụrụ
As a
anya.
young man, and when somebody near my advice, I said, okay, now that you've started building your dream, go and marry.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
And you're married,
And
right?
they are married. I'm married. The advice, changed everything. When I wasn't married,
You know why
stuff like
what
that.
you are saying now is making more sense to me? You are my sister's son. So, okay, for why this thing is somehow, we are on the same table, right? Talking marriage.
Yes.
Meaning that my sister got married early. That's a good point from Ifeanyi. My generation, she moved on, she got married, she gave birth, and you were the second child, right? Then you are married already. Mona again, marriage. You have young kids, I have young kids.
So now
if
you
you
need
know
to know why
the
you
importance of marrying.
Thank you very much. So,
That's
Tempulo, are you married?
It still remains my private information. All
right.
Obasin T disclose. I will
Temple,
disclose.
you're a fine guy.
Yeah.
You started your dream. So Temple,
back to final. Back to final. Eman itiapo. Itinejera akwọ. Obni itinejera akwọ mu ya na ekwu. Okwesi if na ya pugo na topic.
All right. Temple,
you are
Mazi Temple. If you have to advise a young man na nwere opportunity ije university. Imana izizi ekwubu egucha university. Onye una na-agụ university, onye una na-agụ akwụkwọ. In fact, as the way the country is, ị na-agụ akwụkwọ ikwesị inwe ife ị na-agụ. Ọ wụrụ sọ akwụkwọ.
Yeah.
Because as a young man, na ọ na-echọkwa ịbala onwe gị uru kpamkpam. Ị na-agụ akwụkwọ nwee ife ị na-alụwa aka ọlụ.
If I BFS na-akọ now, or just to hear if onwe nwoke man nọ na trend this week nọ na-asị nọ. Unu ncha na-eme real estate. Na-enye onye ọbụla advice na-eme motivational speaking. Anyị mata ka unu si bido, anyị ma ebe ego unu si. Ebe BFS ji akọ ya akịta nwa bụ na ọ dị ya ka onwe ka o si wee ga. Then on the side is ya na otu ọnwa ọ dị ya ka ndụ esi ga n'otu abụdị. Nwanne biko ịnwa ka isi wee kwado onwere particular formula eji ebi ndụ iche akwe na anụ ihe na-ekwu onwere formula eji ebi rapụ BFS ka ọ na-atọ ya na-agba ka moto mgbe iji wee kwadote n'ụlọ onwe gị ịghọta gị ife a na-anụlụ nwaanyị na-egekwanụ ntị ife a na-anụlụ nwaanyị ọ bụrụ ha maka nna agwa na unu maka nna agwa ife a na-anụlụ nwaanyị is to start a family is the first unit of any family is the first unit of any society and onye na-akwadoro ọfụma ekwesịrị ibidi ya onye isi na-akpakọrọ ọnụ onye na-enwere direction ekwesịrị ibidi ya yes ọkwụ na anụ ife na-ekwu rapụ onye nke ọ na-atọ ya na-agba ka moto mụnụ na ga-akpazi maka na
Maria, it's okay. I ain't got everything because you gave an important advice. The first one is that you don't want to make family or life public, firstly. Then the second thing is that you told BFS that now on your name advert in the real estate. Possibly that he thinks not the way we don't care, but the right way for everybody. But
this is a situation on your
let me just point out this because I'll go on first so that you don't understand it. Then he's still saying that life will go page your sayetalonya or nago. Only he can't to see where Potalaga, Abre to see Potalonia, or Buretu Akosi Potalonia. So only know we are feel when all go watch or a banner family. Nyabanye. Mana if I ain't a cook around this back on or from a man a fair lugo, Kaina was also. No man, this in a macaron, or ended up was no Kaije, Pentakande, Totoria, or New Year, you got that. When you say the person had a canani for an aquadorofo. Not just know a major effect, or make the person involved on a marriage.
Yes. Without
the person's preparedness.
Yes.
Or make the person affect. So I just want to talk and this thing where we need a point. The point on something near trend, a young lady. Because sometimes I need this advice here, the practical and realistic. Because people are listening. Oh, if I put life, what they call this lady that committed suicide or so.
I'm affording the news.
Okay. Nke one
Yeah,
they
that
meet
went to
influencer on
Asaba.
Asaba. Yes.
To meet an influencer in Asaba.
Eh.
Then after something happened,
Yes.
that she was deflowered or so,
Yes.
something like that. Then we decided to take her own life.
Makana any follow up, nothing.
Yeah, follow up on from whose side?
No, follow up now, like on such thing, no man. Only the therapy.
Yeah.
Any people can tell you justice.
Yeah.
They question about such person on get on not like that.
Was
So
that a rape? Or rape?
no one I.
Well,
What will put her in that kind of state?
Do you know what I want to say? Whatever happened between the two of them, two adults in a hotel room, I was saying be careful in judging that matter.
Yes.
You understand? Somebody left Asaba to meet somebody in a hotel room. Possibly in an arrangement, he had brought meet the person in a hotel, but however, he led to another family in a hotel room. So something happened in that hotel room.
Yes.
And the person came out from the hotel room, went home, then unalived herself. Why I am saying this is that most times we are too fast in judging people, especially when the other party is no longer there to speak for herself.
Yes.
And before she did that, she made a video. I just feel that like we should stop glorifying terrible things.
Yes.
This person that did this kind of thing, you can actually seek justice without taking your own life. Look at what happened, without doing what the person did. So we need to tell our people, if you check things that trended, or see that it will trend for 2 weeks.
Yes.
It will only trend for a time. But in this case, or anything trending that led to
because of that belief that I'm supposed to be this before that.
So we have to advise parents too. When a situation like this have brought the end of
Exactly.
life. Something like this have brought the end of
Encourage her.
life. Be alive to speak for yourself. You cannot take your own life because you want to ridicule another person.
Maybe not necessarily ridicule, but she's no
know
longer
why
feeling like.
Ridiculing. It's because she made a video. And in that video, she was conscious of her background. Trying to see if somebody was going to interfere or maybe hear what she was saying. She was consciously anxious to deliver her plan. Deliver her plan.
It's an disease.
That's what I'm saying. Other is they shouldn't make it simple.
Which is why I don't think now. Oh, I know the follow plan. Mother, I know the set a plan. They feel pain. What there is you?
My brother,
we can only encourage families, parents,
taking their own life.
Because on your family need a lot of support, both from family and every other person. We seek justice for the person and stuff like that. And also Chakunefa and Neku about all they can cause Onyanwalu 18 yano. Because what I killing Onya
she says she's 21.
Mbobere can Neku now. Open na parents onya na ka bo de nwata kila like listen na papa onya nwa de ebe 18 we no amami that kind thing then we muta nwa ya na ebe 18 na nya ya de ebe gini na ebe 36 or there or yes 36 37 or thereabout amami that 36 37 or dey fa hit ni ike ite no ya de ite nya no nwe ya de go do confused. Even on 37, oh hit direct, or broke one on hit. As a parent, even on 37, oh hit in person. Like only need to go the extra support. Oh, where be a blows
exactly. Give me hit
on the 37, when meet that kind of situation, the girl meet. Yes.
No,
on a go devastated. Or where on your parents. At 37, we heat. Everyone know they heat differently. If a man one more don't work, cause they heat. On a hit deeper than nke melonya direct. You get the point? Now, onye na-elu na balance be enough handle such thing. You dey far we make e diko esu ebudo die. Oya ka ejiwe na asị gị na ife a na-anụlụ abụrụ ife na-ebidolu family abụrụ just ịmụta nwa. Ihe family is the first unit of a society. And onye si na-akpakọrọ ọnụ ekwesịrị ibidi ya. Onye ka bụ nwatakịrị otu a na-edunye nwaanyị ndị a na-ene anya wee na-edunye bụ ndị dị obi. Ọ bụrụ nwatakịrị. Yes. A na-edu otu a ka Igbo si eme iduru ndị bụ unu bịa ene ndị kpọ gị bịa anya. Ihe dị gị.
Ife ọ na-akọwa bụ na let's say a family kita nwafa nwoke dị 18 years na-eje ịnụ nwaanyị. Enwere ike ene how capable the parents today.
Yes.
The person wee bịa.
Yes.
A na-edunyezi onye a nwaanyị, a na-edunye na ndị a nọ ya n'azụ dị capable.
Confirm.
Not
nyanwa na onwe.
the person ka a na-ene, but emechie ụzọ all the two of them ife nọ na that closed door.
Normally often all two of them.
So you are water that na-enwe problems parents ya na-esi from maka na faso wee jedute nwaanyị wee bata inside the room ya solve.
Mana ode nke anụnwa hit here now. All those people now bụ ndị ya chest ya ndị anwa dị wee bịa. But nevertheless, onye ka o jiri abụ a regular occurrence. Ọ na-abụkarị ndị bụ ofu nwa bụ ndị a na-emekarị otu. Otherwise, nwoke ịkwadote ị na-eje ene anya dị ọfụ na oke na o meghalibaga aka o toitego ihe dị gị
bụ combine marriage
and dream. Yes.
So let me just touch something on my own side because I used to come in with personal experience.
Yes.
Ask I will spaceman A, spaceman. So whatever, I don't hide anything, I don't keep things. Emma, initially when Maya was at a point, when you come to Unity, Maya was everywhere.
Yes.
Trending. Yeah. I thought I was a celebrity. Come on, a star, kind of school star. So, but somehow, at that stage, I was no longer young.
Yes.
The money, that kind of thing, is not enough to keep a family. What did I do? I decided to double up my hustle, create the other things that gave me money. From those other things, now I feel when they were sustainable.
Yes.
Before I went into marriage. So this is the best way more feel. Do to not work all more. And not just nanga into marriage. Before I chose somebody, on ABS, normal. Yeah, 2019.
That's it. Call on ABS.
2019 on a radio, ABS radio. So the person interview can name me as on call. The way she sounded, so that this thing will go beyond this. So after the program, so you have this dream. I said, yes. Okay, I will start it for you. I started with help. I gave her space, started the business for her. Somewhere along the line, they think that within 2 weeks, interview in ABS, I went to see the family, made everything on her head, and she became my wife. So why I'm saying this is because I prepared myself, I prepared her.
Yes.
Before we so can not as a that's no on a build consolidate on that. More build my own. I build that's a twice we build family. So EJ not a wine. Umoblo no I funa obro na akaga dichago strong e bu the two of you. Bambo oblo no nwere ife onya na-eme. Chole ya something ka ọ na-eme. Ọ ya aga aka weta.
Good.
Yes.
Now, at that young age, when they now you can go and attach yourself. Then you now build one can build, and that's how family grow.
Yeah. Or either Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Mansion na Lagos na the right time, man.
Yeah.
All right, the my master, your experience is just a point. That's a part.
Yes, because flow.
Yeah, flow.
Ahead. So all right, Mazi Tempo.
Yes, and it upon
Got it upon Kezi. What do you tell a younger person now build dream and wants to marry or wants to suspend marriage?
Okay. I'm going to finish the points there. And we're different aspects of life: your health, your finance, your spirituality, starting a family, all of these things because it goes. All of these things because aspects of life, it goes on. And if you're planning your life, you're thinking, if we see all these places, okay, if any skills, your recreation as well, if any now, because all the aspects, if we see when thinking about planning your life. So the idea of having a plan, that you must follow it strictly saying. The idea of no direction so that ego beginaka a man and car or in all at this particular stage, okay, just coordination. Yes, as a plan, actually okay, be in a particular way, not just so I am a plan family as well. Of course, incorporate your dream can equally become your family's dream. Madodeka Donjazi, Adam farmer. That dream of being a producer, it was actually his father's dream. And when you about World Cup, he playing in the World Cup was actually his father's dream. Injury about World Cup, or Wekabar, where's Zubangwe, or Funangwe with the same talent, or Zubangwe about the World Cup. Don Jazzy Napa Wana, it was his father's dream. And so are many other people. So even that your own, either pursue go do low time start family. It starts go to the family. The dream can equally become part of your family's dream, and which one of your children might end up helping achieve in the end. So because under pressure, they are BFS na ako. Unege kono banti. Because nisi bako gon net na na.
I will go in at them, you know. All right. Today's topic, Bo, you know, combining dream and marriage.
I still want to say something more.
All right, the man must talk because we are at time.
Okay. I like him if Di Maria because I just try and encompass everything. Can you consider every aspect of your life? And then on that, you can drop something. And when only happen health, or some people na manner maybe they are not expecting to live beyond a certain age.
Yes.
Yeah. So we don't know. If an archery be
yes.
If an archery laws or
yes.
We don't know plan or life. Then choose somebody who feel gasoline. So in marriage, and when so many facts and factors are not considered, or consider health here whereby into marriage. Nobody can advise such a person otherwise.
Yes.
Because all my personal things lead to time.
Exactly. I'm not talking on Nukwanya Robasi. Yeah. Time and get short.
When somebody man sight, so at the end of the whole thing, or chokwe no wine. Do to know if you or chotako anya Two. Why? Because people when you read the chance. In all na kukune blame on ya. A Morocco Sidelia, a man before encounter, I know how long got your partner or wetero before Cesac or Ogulun and Cord the Cordia.
Yes.
The Ota. So Obulo page life is Italia. Oh, somebody Malona Gije. Manon Bambo, Moku Fendi de Villiers. Uluem watch or any wine. On not on your quarter now.
Yes.
The person on the top of an apple. Now assist here in every other thing.
Yes.
What somebody malo or the very short, very very short. Or choy not wine. Some of them not in our Nollywood. For choy no wine. Fana not one day way high.
Yes.
Yeah. All these things I consider when going into marriage. Then talking about dream. Dream ne evolve.
Yes.
It on there with time. Your dream for today. Only if Davido because of A2 see Ronaldo and the World Cup appearance here. Davido saying that his greatest fear in life but not knowing when to stop music.
Yes.
Because normally when to stop music, you go anyone got the entertainment school, I think that it's better to leave the center stage when the ovation is high.
Yes.
Oga iPhone and a looking at him when he say, "Oh, come on, need you well that glory, but shift to a field that will accommodate your age and your new reality."
Yes.
So, see Ronaldo doing everything on me as a great man, where they are at the end of his career. Oburudu to na agbapo for a World Cup. Ka people do na trash everything the guy made.
I actually have a different opinion because the streets, yes, the media, they
are trying.
The media are attacking him, are painting a different thing. The streets are hailing him. Like if on a street is in a block.
Knowing the right time for everything in your life is very important. Thank you.
All right. Time I will be ending this program right now.
I was planning an entire seminar on this because
it's very important.
Yes, because it's a very wide topic.
Yeah, and it's
important.
playing out every day in our society.
Yes.
And we are not doing anything about it.
Yes.
All right, we've come to the end of our program. With me here,
Maya Master
and Maze Tempulo Di Maria.
All right, Afam Bugon na BFS. Amam na Odigo Koya.
Oga Ofuma.